Sorry about that, guys. So, I make this short. Got these ornaments. These. This. This. The Bower Paint. Cup. The finger puppets. Keychain. Headphones. The lanyard. And I got this is a Pro AirPod Pro case. Got the mouse pad. So let's go get a few more items. And I also have an art kit. And I got these at BTC, so cute little bouncy ball. And a cool spooky pen. And then this is my new bag I'm going to bring with me today. The last one. If you love dogs, I got Zero, the ghost dog, from The Nightmare Before Christmas. I will do an unboxing of this later. And you get to see it on my short videos. So, I'll catch you guys later for another video. Welcome to the new life of a new era for me, for my channel, called TCB Studios, with your host, Mr. Mose, Lindsay Presley. See you guys later. Peace.